locomotives, one Bud built combine, stainless steel combine. Oh, here's a nice river. And we have two stainless steel Bud built coaches, including this one. One Bud built stainless steel Skyline dome car and bringing up the rear. One Bud built stainless steel sleeping car, Chateau Bainville, Bienville. I have an upper berth in the Chateau Bainville, built by Bud Company, a Red Lion plant, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Departing Winnipeg yesterday, we had a total of 38 passengers, including 18 in the sleeping car.